This video is all about a case statements. So, in case of case statements, it behaves the same way as that of the if statements, but the syntax of the case statements is a little bit different. Now, let us consider an example for an engineering candidate where if he belongs to the Department of Electrical and Communication Engineering, we should write you are into Electrical and Communication Engineering. And if he belongs to the Computer Science Engineering Department, you belong to the Computer Science Engineering Department. For all other departments, we are going to write it as congrats, you are into engineering. So, in order to do that, first we need to declare a variable where candidate group, and it should be of type char 20 because it has to take a char 20 because we are going to take at least 5 to 6 characters. Then you can use either char 20 or char 10. So thus we have created a variable. Now I am declaring value to the candidate group if he belongs to ECE. Now, as EC is assigned to the candidate group variable, now let us write the case statement. So for writing the case statement, the keyword that we use is case. Case of your validating variable. When your candidate group is ECE, then you are going to write you are you are into ECE department. When your candidate group is CSE, then you can write when it is of CSE, you can write you are into CSE department. And for other departments, when others, then you are into engineering. Make sure that for every case you are going to end the case. So this is how the system understands that the case statement is in between 15 and 25, and it is going to check each line internally but it cannot see in the debugger. So how exactly this case statement works? So first it is going to analyze what are the when statements that is available in this particular case statement. So at line 13, we have declared and assigned a value of ECE to candidate group. Thus, it comes to line 15 and check what is the value inside this LB candidate group ECE. It is going to check any value of ECE in when statements here. So at this point, it is going to verify that at line 70, the value in the candidate group and the ECE has matched. Thus, it is going to go into the 18th step and then execute. If suppose my value is CSE, then it is going to check for 17th step internally. No, it did not get matched. Then it is going to go for 20th step internally. Yes, this has matched. Then it is going to write the step at 21. If suppose my candidate group is triple E, then it is going to check at 17th, it did not get matched. For 20, no. As none of the well statements has matched in the case statements, then the default case statements that is going to get executed is when others. So when it did not get matched for ECE and CSE, I said that, well, okay, whatever the other groups that it has, the write this one. So let us check for ECE first. Check for the syntactical errors, then activate and then execute. You are into ECE department. Now check how it is behaving for CSE, activate and execute. You are into CSE department. Now check for other departments like EIP and then activate and then execute. You are into engineering. For suppose if I don't mention this particular statement, then what happens? Let us check and execute. It did not write any statements. See, write, write, or let us write a U line, whether it is writing any statements or not. So only ULAN has been displayed, but none of the statements of write in CSE and ECE has been displayed. This is because at line number 15, it is going to match the value in the candidate group EI with the values in the when statements. So EI did not match at 17, EI did not match at 20, then it is going to come out of the else case end if case statement, and then it is going to write U line. If suppose if I maintain as when others, then it would have returned the value you are eligible for, you are into engineering, activate, execute. You are into engineering. So this is how the case statements can be written. And it is not always that we are going to use a variable. Sometimes we are also going to use a default value like ECE. Now system at the case statements we have mentioned as ECE, then at line 13 it gets executed. It's going to check for the matching of the same words, then the line 14 gets executed. You are into ECE department. Same is the case for the CSE, and if I maintain it as triple E and then wait, execute, you are into engineering as triple E did not get matched at line 13 and 16. Thus, it is going to enter into when others statement. So this is how the case statements can be used.